Hi guys! What's up? It's me, Marjorie G. Baksal, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn and apply the three-triangle congruence together with my classmates, Rhea May, Jelan, and Aaron. Don't be intimidated because I'll promise you that this will be easy peasy. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, these words are connected to our topic today, and I'm going to tell you what is the meaning or the definition of these words. First one is congruence. Congruence means two triangles are congruent if their corresponding sides are equal in length and their corresponding interior angles are equal in measure. We use this symbol to show congruence. Next one is similar triangles. Means that we'll have congruent angles but sides of different length. Last but not the least is postulate. Postulate is a statement presented mathematically that is assumed to be true. All three triangles congruence statements are generally regarded in the mathematics world as postulate, but some authorities identify them as theorems. To see if triangles are congruent involve three postulates. Let's take a look at the three postulates abbreviated ASA, SAS, and SSS.
Hey guys, I'm Remy Ogis, and I'm going to explain to you the angle-side angle or ASA postulate. So, this postulate says that triangles are congruent and if two angles and included side are equal into the other triangles. Let's compare two triangles. So we have an example. On this example, we have two triangles, and this is triangle CAT and the triangle GUB. Notice that the angle C on the triangle CAT is congruent to the angle G on triangle GUB. This is the angle C and this is the angle G. And the angle A on the triangle CAT is also congruent to the angle U on the triangle GUB. This is the angle A and this is the angle U. See that the line between angle C and the angle A. This is the line between angle C and the angle A. And the line between angle G and the angle U. This is the line between the angle G and the angle U. We also notice that they are also congruent. The two triangles have an angle congruent and an included side between those angles congruent. This forces the remaining angle of our triangle CAT is to be 180 degrees. This is the remaining angle. The remaining angle is to be 180 degrees minus angle C minus angle A. This is because the interior angle of our triangle is to add 180 degrees. The postulate says you can pick any two angles and an included side between the two angles. So that's it. And the next will explain by Jelan.
Hi, I'm Jelan and I'm going to tell side angle side or postulate. Here, instead of picking two angles, we pick a side and its corresponding side on two triangles. The SAS postulate says that the triangles are congruent if any pair of its corresponding side and its included angles are congruent. Pick any side of triangle JOB. This works no matter everywhere you start. Move to the next side whichever direction you want to move, which will sweep up an included angle. For the two triangles to be congruent, those three parts of triangle JLB, a side, included angle, and adjacent side must be congruent to the same three parts, the corresponding side, angle, and adjacent side on the other triangle YAK. The next is SSS or side, side, side that will be explained by arrow.
Ang arrow shape angle 1. The next is perhaps the easiest of the three postulates, the side, side, side or SSS postulate. This postulate says triangles are congruent. The three sides of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding sides of the one triangle. This is the only postulate that doesn't not deal with angles. You can replicate the SSS postulate using straight objects, like uncooked spaghetti or plastic straws works great. Cut a tiny bit of one so it's not quite as long as it started out. Cut the other length into two distinctly unequal parts. Now you have three sides of one triangle. Put them together, then you have one triangle. Now shuffle the sides around and try to put them together in a different way to make a different triangle. No matter what you try, you can do it. You can only assemble your triangle in one way. You can simply switch two sides around, but then all you have is a reflection of a mirror image of the original triangle. Once you realize that three lengths can only make one triangle, you can see that two triangles with their three sides corresponding to each other are identical or congruent. The congruent postulate, the side angle side congruent, angle side angle congruent postulate, and the side 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 congruent postulate. You can now determine if any two triangles are congruent.